In this lesson, we're going to work on calculating percentages. So if we have a problem like this that says 6 is 50% of what number? So we're going to use two different methods to do this, okay? So 6 is 50% of what number? So the first method is we're going to use a proportion to find the answer. And in a proportion, it looks like this. We have a part over a whole, which equals a percent over 100. Now remember, a percent is 1 part out of 100. Over here, we have 50%. We already know what the percent is. So the part is 6, and the percent is 50. So we have almost everything in this equation. So let's fill in the numbers that we know. So we know the part is 6. The whole we're trying to figure out. We know 50 and we know 100. So now we just solve for the unknown, the whole. Okay? So let's do that. So to do that, let's multiply both sides by whole and by 100 because we want to get rid of these fractions here. So let me show you how that works. So multiply both sides by 100 and whole. Here's 100 and whole. And then we keep these the same, right? 6 over whole and then 50 over 100. Now we can cross out the numbers that cancel each other out. So the numbers that cancel each other out are these, right? When they're up on top, one is in the numerator, one is in the denominator, we can just cross them out. They cancel each other out. So we're just left with 100 times 6 here equals whole times 50. So now this looks easier to work with, right? So now to isolate whole even further, we can divide both sides by 50. So we want to get rid of this so that we're just left with whole by itself. So that'll look like this. 100 times 6 is 600, and we're dividing both sides by 50. Divide by 50 here and divide by 50 here. And we're going to cancel those 50s just like that. And then we're left with whole equals 12. So this is the number we're looking for. 6 is 50% of 12. That's the answer. Now let's look at another method. Method 2. Find the answer by writing and solving an equation. So a part equals a percentage of a whole. This is the equation, okay? So we know that the part is 6, the percentage is 50 over 100 times the whole. So to isolate whole, multiply both sides by 100. So we want to try to get rid of the fraction first, okay? So 100 times 6 and then 100 times this whole part, okay? So now we can cross out the numbers that cancel. The hundreds cancel. So now we're left with 600 equals 50 times the whole, okay? So now we can finish isolating whole by dividing both sides by 50. We want to get rid of this, so we're just left with this. And the way to do that is to divide by 50. So 600 divided by 50 equals 50 over 50 times whole. We can get rid of the 50 over 50 now, right? And we're left with whole equals 12, and it's the same answer. So there's two methods, and you can decide for yourself which method is easier for you. Now don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. I've also solved different versions of this And you'll find the links to those videos in the description below. Make sure to check those out. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's also a link there in the ebook that'll take you right to this lesson. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.